Hello, my friends. Puppetji here. Today, I would like to speak about procrastination. But I think we're going to have to put it off till tomorrow. No, I'm kidding. See, that's a joke. No, procrastination, that's a thing. Why can't we do the things we say we're going to do? I have a task. I have something important to do. Do the taxes. Maybe have a meeting. I want to write this book. I want to write a script. Whatever it is. But we don't get to that. I got to do the dishes first. Organize my sock drawer. Maybe take the car, get it washed. These are all distractions. Why can we not do the thing that we say that we want to do? And we put it off. We procrastinate. It's too much. We think it's too much. We look at the end result and we think, oh my gosh, well, all the things I got to do to get there. Tiny steps, my friends. Small increments. Teeny, tiny steps. We can envision the big, bold accomplishment, but in order to get there, tiny steps. One of the things that helps me get my energy going and getting out of procrastination is I just make lists of accomplishments every day to kind of trick my mind. See? Oh, I ate breakfast, took my vitamins, went to the bathroom, took a shower, trimmed my mustache, did a load of laundry, did my exercises, did some reading, did some writing, you see? Checking off the list of accomplishments, I feel like I'm getting things done. And I am. These are all things that need to get done. But I just add them to my list of things I've done, things I've completed. Now, some may say, oh, Puppetji, but those are just distractions. You haven't gotten to the thing that you actually wanted to do. These are the things I want to do. These are the lead-ins to the thing that I want to do, which is usually get my butt into the studio and shoot a video. Sometimes I procrastinate. Sometimes I'm in here first thing in the morning. Sometimes I'm not here till the end of the day. I procrastinate. But I get it done. This is where we must have grace for ourselves, my friends. As long as we get it done. Yes? 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 5 o'clock, it doesn't matter. Get it done. Give yourself the grace. Give yourself permission. Give yourself a hug and say it's all okay. You got this. We got this. Give yourself a break today, my friends, and remember, love yourself. Yes, feel that. Love yourself. Namaste, tuned till tomorrow, my friends. Much love. Ciao. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, my friends.